Hi, it's Lori. Thanks for joining me on my latest flip through. This is a package of music themed junk journals. The bottom is really not a journal, it's more of an altered book, which I will link to a separate tutorial on how I went about making it. It's really just made from an old book in which I cut little boxes out and it embedded some of my miniature dollhouse furniture that I used to make. In this case here, it was all music themed, cello, guitar, and violin. Although Mom also made some of this. Accompanying the altered book are two more traditional journals. This top one is one signature, and it incorporates a lot of papers by Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah, her collection, which is called Vintage Viola. I made several altered paper clips that have been attached to the pages. I also incorporated a lot of historical notes on famous composers. This background page is Tina's. As is this background page. This is a tuck spot. It's one of Tina's cards. More historical notations. This is an envelope that Tina provides in her kit that I further embellished and lined with some sheet music. This is one of several altered paper clips. A belly band. More historical notes. Some tracing paper that I stamped and stitched. Tuck spots, old postcards. Another one of Tina's work. Another one of Tina's background pages, as are these cards here. She also provides these fussy cut violins. This page here is also one of the pages in her kit. This journal Has 2 signatures in it. Again, included throughout are historical notations. Journaling card, more journaling cards, a page dedicated to Mozart, This was taken from a book that was giving instruction on how to play the German flute. This is Tina's card. Some washi tape. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Appreciate it.